So I started Earthbound Architecture so that I can help people who want to live more sustainably and have a lighter footprint on the earth, but still have a high quality of life, and focus more on craftsmanship and design and really paying attention to the details in a way that everything comes together cleanly and beautifully. As much as I love the theoretical design side of things and I love the sketching and kind of dreaming, in the end you got to be able to build it. And personally, I feel that I can't be a good architect if I don't know how things go together, and I can't know how things go together if I don't do it myself. So the guiding principle behind this house is that we want it to be cost-free and maintenance-free and as energy-free as possible. The way we're doing that is that we're designing the house to be thermally well-insulated and to have a very tight envelope, which means very little air infiltration. So rather than doing a conventional heating system, we're doing a solar thermal radiant heat system, and that allows us to heat the house with the energy of the sun, as well as heat our domestic hot water. I've incorporated passive solar design elements as well, which include southern orientation, large overhangs, and 3-inch thick adobe floors, which will provide thermal mass to naturally regulate the building's temperature. We're also building a large photovoltaic array with a battery bank to provide all our electric needs on site. We're doing our best to use low-embodied energy materials wherever possible and long-lasting, recycled or recyclable materials everywhere else. We asked for a specialized mix of concrete that is 100% recycled aggregate and a higher fly ash content so that we're reducing the carbon footprint of the concrete and trying to reduce the impact of a material that is just pretty much necessary for building a house. These are all things that I would like everybody to have the opportunity to do, or have the opportunity to be in a grid-tied system or a community that works together to create those same opportunities. So my drive is definitely to build homes and buildings that are sustainable in terms of economy, as well as environment and social and longevity of the space, in that it can transform and grow with the individuals that own it or may own it in the future. I've gotten this opportunity to see all of these different ways of life and different environments that shape those, and I've come to understand that the space in which you spend your time, whether it be where you live or where you work or where you play, impacts your life in ways that we don't consciously necessarily notice, but do have a major impact on the trajectory of your world and your life and how you move forward. My ideal clients would be people who have a vision, don't necessarily know how to make it happen, but want to work with somebody who can push that forward and make it a reality.